What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is the day where I'm gonna be hosting my first cruise car meet thing going on Instagram. I posted it right here, so hopefully you guys saw it and hopefully I get to see some of you guys. I know some of you guys are gonna go. I know a lot of you couldn't make it because it was kind of last minute, but it was like a few days before, so I don't know, just gonna give it a shot. So you guys always ask for one. I'm gonna do it right now. Let's go ahead and get to the spot. And I actually think I hear Ruben. I'm pretty sure I just saw him come down the bridge right there. Right over there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure it's only gonna be like 4 or 5 people, including Hector. So, it is what it is. There they are, boys. Look who's that fresh waffle. Jesus. That big turbo PPG.
I know. I heard him.
I heard you guys coming down the.
Dude, I didn't even see them behind me, bro. I was at the light and then I looked in my view. What are you wearing underneath?
What are you wearing underneath? Okay, now.
I was gonna say.
You ever been here?
No.
Dude.
I've never been this far.
Look at this shit, man. It's honestly like a played out spot, but this is where everybody comes. It's pretty dope, man. This is a good spot. This is such a good scenery, guys. Like, we're gonna be hanging out for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then from here we're gonna go ahead and hit the road and hit the Topanga Canyon afterwards. Are these more people we see? Dude, this is beautiful.
Had a lot of goodies on it, but
how long ago did you get it?
Like 2 years ago.
2 years ago? Shit, okay. So
pretty much so far I got the Icebox, CT Engineering Icebox, PLM headers. I wrapped them, has a Koyo red. In terms of internals, it just has forged pistons, but I'm not sure which ones. The previous owner put them on.
Oh shoot.
So I was having head gasket issues, and so I opened it up with my brother, and I saw and they're freaking forged pistons. I was like, oh,
really? Hector, that's what I was telling you.
L15 in here, bro. We're pulling the one off for your Civic, throwing it in my Integra.
This head has like 250,000 miles.
You're barely breaking it in. It's a P-Series, bro. This is gonna last forever.
Yeah, but it has the GSR retainers and springs, so
that's true.
Jesus, dude. Dude, that's clean. That's a clean interior.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be ours. Co-ed parenting, dude.
These are 96 or 97 spec.
So there's a 4x114?
These are, yeah, 4x114, and it has the spacer that converts them.
Oh, okay.
This is gorgeous. We actually ended up meeting with 2 more people, another 10th gen coupe and an Integra GSR. This is fun so far, guys. This is actually pretty cool. So I'm glad you guys made it out to this. Another Porsche all the way up there being a Porsche with his exhaust. Oh, fucking car. Already on Topanga Canyon, guys. Huey! Going up on the when it's like, this is more like a cruise when it comes to the canyons by the beaches here on Southern California. Considering there's a lot of families that like going through here. But when it comes down to the canyons that are more inward, like Angeles Crest, Mount Baldy, like those are really, really good canyons to go take for a spin on the weekend, you know, especially on Sundays. Right here, like I mentioned, on the weekends in Southern California, it's really difficult to do like quick canyon runs, especially because a lot of people actually live on Topanga Canyon.
Going up.
Top floor, oh, this is dope. Dude, what's the last time we've been up here?
It's been so long.
You kept getting traffic.
Yeah. Well, like I was telling him at the light, the majority of the canyons here by the beaches,
They're commuter canyons.
they're commuter canyons. They're not canyons like those ones over there. You know, so. And the reason why I wanted to take Topanga just because it was just a straight shot. I didn't want to get back on the freeway and then get back on this, you know, so. This. You feel better? Fucking A.
My bladder,
Dude,
I feel like my bladder was
all of us were like, is Ruben behind us? No, yeah, he's behind us because of your transmission.
That's what we said.
We all can hear that. Dude, so how about that Scion got pulled over
I know.
out of all the cars that were there?
Well, dude, we saw him. What's it called? You just saw the cop come out and he had the radar in his hand.
But that's why I was telling you when you asked me if it was a run or a cruise, that PCH is always heated.
Yeah.
Especially on Sundays. That's why I always went with traffic. I never went faster or slower.
I've been missing
It
it
was
for
good.
a year.
Yeah.
Like it was going in now. I was like, fuck, my car's fucked up. I was like, you know what? It doesn't have oil. I pulled over to the side, it's empty.
Yeah.
I had to fill it up.
Fuck it, dude.
Is he leaking it or is burning it?
I think he said it was burning.
It has a small leak around the oil pan, but it's not like it's dripping. It's just you can see it.
27. You buy the Costco pack on to make it
I didn't buy
worthwhile?
the Costco pack. I do actually. I have everything Costco. I have the 3